Dance, Moe. Ready?
Right outside our Channel 6 studios on City Line Avenue. 22.5 inches of snow have...
22.5 inches. Blizzard of 96. Take my video. Go ahead. Maureen, how much snow? Yeah, a whole bunch of snow, isn't there? There's the poor car out there. Believe it or not, I shoveled a few times. Is Pumbaa here? Is Fiki out there? The elements. Whoa. Mark Howard Action News.
It's a blizzard! Yeah, laugh, Maureen. Oh, look at Maureen. Maureen's doing it.
Yeah, she was videotaping.
Woo-woo! Maureen, say, big snow. Tell Daddy. Tell Daddy, say, big snow.
Big snow.
Go like this.
Sure.
Okay, big snow.
Okay, big snow.
Good girl. You went out there right now, you drowned.
Give us a smile. We'll say bye-bye. Give me a smile.
Bye-bye.
Good girl.